Good afternoon, my viewers. Today, I want to digress a little. Um, some of my students have asked me a lot of questions on this particular topic in chemistry, pH calculation. Okay, how do you calculate the pH of a solution in chemistry? All right, we are going to use this question on the board to explain pH. The definition of pH is simply, okay, let's start this way. Solution, okay. The question says the concentration of hydrogen ion, this hydrogen ion, in two solutions are 1 times 10 raised to power minus 3 mole per dm cube, B 6 times 10 raised to power minus 9 mole per dm cube. What is the pH of each solution? We have been asked for the pH of each one. A, okay, first we have to define pH. What is pH? pH is simply the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. In chemistry, once you see square bracket is concentration. So to define it, we are going to write this pH written this way is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion, to put it this way, hydrogen ion concentration, like this. This is the definition, the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. This is simple. We've been told that in A, the hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 mole per dm cube. Okay? Now, the only thing we just need to do here is to substitute. But you must understand how to handle logarithm very well in mathematics. Okay? So, we can say that in A, the pH is equal to minus log this time around we are going to use bracket, not square bracket. Minus log what? 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. This is the answer, but we still need to simplify it. Okay? This is equal to minus log what? You remember in mathematics, this logarithm can simply be broken down as, let's use bracket, minus log 1 plus log what? Log 10 raised to the power minus 3. Do you see this? Using law of logarithm. Here, this is multiplication. Here, if you want to break it down, it becomes addition. Do you understand? So now, we are simply going to say this is equal to minus log what? Minus log log 1 minus log 10. No, this is base 10. This is 13. Oh, sorry. Here is 13, not 3. Here is 13. Here is 13. In the question it is 13. In the question it says 13 that you gave to me. Let me see. Yeah, it's 13. Alright? So now, based on law of logarithm, this power here will come down here this way to multiply the logarithm of 10. So the power will come down this way to multiply. So we are going to have this. Then, of course, you know that log 1 is 0. In mathematics, log 1 is 0. So we are going to have minus 0 minus 13. Because log 1, okay, let me simply put it, times 1. Because log 1, log 10 to base 10 is 1. Understand? So we are going to say this is equal to minus 0, okay, 0 minus 13. because 1 times 13 is 13. Alright? So simplifying this further is equals to minus 13 in bracket. Then when you open this bracket, it's equals to 13, because minus times minus is plus. So the pH in the first instance, that is A, the pH is 13. Okay, let's talk about B. B, the hydrogen ion concentration in that question is 6 times 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay, this is, sorry. Hydrogen ion concentration, that is this way. Hydrogen ion concentration is equals to 6 times 10 raised to power minus 9 mole per dm cube. Okay, now we simply substitute in this equation. Therefore, pH equals to minus log 6 times 10 raised to power minus 9. This way. Okay, still applying this rule here, law of logarithm. We will now say this is equals to minus, open bracket, put individual logarithm now, log 6 plus log 10 raised to power minus 9, close the bracket. This is simply, please, you either use table or use your calculator. Minus log 6 is what? According to what I have here, log 6 is 0.778. Then, applying this law of logarithm, the power will multiply the log. So it will become minus 9 log 10. Of course, everything to the power of 10. Base of 10, sorry. Okay? Going further with this will be equal to minus 0.778 minus 9 times 1, because log 10 is 1. Okay, so this is equal to minus 0.778 minus 9. Okay, further we are going to have minus, if you do your calculation very well, you are going to have minus 8.222. That is if you do 0.778 minus 9 will give you minus 8.222, which will finally, this minus times minus is plus, so finally it will be 8.222. These are the pH. In the first instance, we have 13. In this instance, we have 8.222. So my question to you as a chemistry student is, these two solutions, are they acidic or basic? I want to hear from you. Understand? Since we have gotten the pH based on the pSK, you should tell me whether the two solutions are acidic or basic. I want to hear your response. Please, I continue to encourage you. Though most of the times I teach you mathematics, but I can teach you chemistry and physics. Okay, so if you have questions on chemistry and physics, feel free to ask me. This is what I do here, as long as you'll be there for me. This is what I have for you today. Thank you.